So let's have a one-on-one conversation about cheat meal, specifically if you are over 100 kg, 95 kg, ठीक है? क्योंकि cheat meal is a concept कि जैसे ये प्लान स्टार्ट करते हो दिमाग में तो होता ही है कि cheat meal कब होगा, cheat day कब होगा, and all of the time people do talk about it. Now here I'm gonna tell you the real practical stuff with which not only you improve, you lose body fat, but you get better in the process. So I'm not gonna talk about the things which you just wanna hear so that I can cater to your feelings. I'm not here to cater to your feelings. I'm here to talk sense, the practicality so that you can improve. And sometimes वो चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो आप probably सुनना ना चाहो. So it's not gonna be that soft video as per se. तो जब हम cheat meal की बात करते हैं ना, literally you are so blinded probably by the social media, probably by your own standards कि आप 100 kg 35-40% बॉडी फैट डिसओरिएंटेड मेटाबॉलिक हेल्थ पे पहुंचे ही इसलिए हो क्योंकि आपका पूरा दिन वीक आफ्टर वीक, मंथ आफ्टर मंथ, ईयर आफ्टर ईयर एक चीट डेकेड बना पड़ा है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट चीट मील और चीट डे. आपने इतना खाना कंज्यूम किया है विदाउट पेइंग अटेंशन टू इट कि नाउ यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम इट. You're not feeling good, the energy levels are not as better, and you look yourself in the mirror and you don't like every morning when you see it, and then the audacity to ask कि हमारा cheat meal कब होगा. Now that's not a problem, but the problem is कि you are not thinking right in terms of कि what are the things which I can improve जिससे मेरा result better हो, what are the things which I can learn जिससे मैं independent बन पाऊँ. क्या मैं ये जो प्री कंसीव नोशन डेटा या बिलीफ लेके चल रहा हूँ वो करेक्ट है भी या नहीं, सो दैट आई कैन चैलेंज इट वन ऑन वन, not with some coach, not to debate, not to argue, but I can look myself in the mirror and challenge myself कि क्या तुझे cheat meal की ज़रूरत है भी. Look at your body, look at your body fat percentage, look at your blood markers, तुझे cheat meal चाहिए. But ठीक है, let's say you're not honest enough to do that conversation with yourself, so let me tell you that. सबसे पहले ओवर 100 kg जब आप हो तो आपका पहला दिमाग में ये बात आनी चाहिए कि हाउ टू गेट इनटू डबल डिजिट, हाउ टू फिक्स दिस, हाउ टू लूज द 10 to 15 kg so that I can become better. And when I say that, I do not mean it from a perspective of कि lose crash कर दिया पूरा डाइट या बहुत भाग रहे हैं कार्डियो कर रहे हैं. नो, इन अ बेटर वे. बट cheat meal is what? When you don't understand the program, when you don't understand the structure of eating well, that's when you call it cheat meal. But when you understand कि okay, there are certain strategies with which I can swap food items. There are certain strategies with which I can plan my Saturday on Thursdays. There are strategies with which I can bank the calories so that when I go out and I eat something, I do not call it a cheat meal. It is just a regular meal for me, but I have planned for it effectively. That's one way. Second, when you know that you are deep into trouble, again going back to the first phase of the conversation, कि cheat meal का ध्यान आ भी क्यों रहा है? Because then you are onto a path where you are going to sabotage your meal because you're only looking after that cheat meal and you're rewarding yourself. So basically you are telling yourself कि okay, ये जितनी भी better habits ले रहा हूँ मैं, better breakfast, better lunch, better dinner, better sleep, better training, better improving need, walking, stress management, but my reward is that one meal. So all of these suffering, all of this thing which I'm doing right now, ये बहुत कोई मेरे ऊपर जुल्म हो रहा है. And that 1 or 2 meal or probably the entire day of Saturday is where I'm going to reward myself. Reward yourself for what? For you trying to make progress, for you trying to lose fat, for you trying to improve your blood markers. You want to reward yourself by doing the things जिसकी वजह से ये हुआ है. You want to go out and hop on soya chap, chode, chole bhature, all these sort of things so that you can completely wipe off the entire 5 day of hard work that you did. You can go out on Saturday and have liquor along with a lot of chakna so that you can justify how hard you work, and then you get up on Monday and you can complain कि मैंने 5-6 दिन बहुत मेहनत किया and despite of that I can't see the progress, or I have only lost 200 grams. Why my progress is so slow? So this is what happens when you don't have tough conversation with yourself and when you always try to justify your weakness as something which you have earned. No, don't do that. What I'm saying is eating out, going out with family is not a bad thing. Going out with friends, attending parties. I say this कि अगर आप एक अच्छे system में हो, these things should not be isolated. But eventually you have to learn it, how to prioritize it. What should be the portion size look like? How to go about it? क्या ऐसी चीज़ें करें जिससे हमारा प्रोग्रेस यूं ना हो, rather than you be like कि मैं तो 5 दिन मेहनत करूंगा लेकिन 6वें और 7वें दिन तो मैं खाऊंगा जाके because this is who I am. So then be ready to either have extremely slow progress, be ready to not see any improvement in your blood markers, be ready to put yourself into a position जहाँ पे आप एकदम घबरा के कि अरे मैं कितनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, because all the time you're talking that bullshit with yourself and you break that pattern and you go out and you're like no, YOLO, you only live once, I'm gonna enjoy my life, I can't live like that. वो इसलिए हुआ बिकॉज आपने स्ट्रक्चर समझा नहीं, आपने पैटर्न समझा नहीं, राइट. द ओनली थिंग दैट यू डिड राइट वॉज कि 5 दिन का रिस्ट्रिक्शन, 2 दिन का कंप्लीटली गोइंग आउट एंड ब्लोइंग एवरीथिंग आउट. So at the end, the only thing which I'll ask you to do is to completely eliminate the idea of cheat meal and cheat day, because what does that even mean? हो सकता है बॉडी बिल्डर्स ने निकाला हो क्योंकि दे आर सुपर रिस्ट्रिक्टिव, उनका बनता भी है. You are somebody जो जॉब कर रहा है, बिजनेस कर रहा है, लीडिंग टीम, लीडिंग फैमिलीज, so then you don't have to cater to that idea. You just have to understand how to plan those things better so that you can come back to your routine, and so that you don't make it a habit of eating every 6 day as a mandatory norm, so that you can blow out the entire week's effort. So hope this makes sense. Do not come with the mindset of cheat meal ka and you're looking forward to that cheat meal as a reward, because then it defeats the entire purpose of you trying to get better in this journey. So yeah, that's about it. If you want to work with me one-on-one, just DM me the word FIT, FIT. I'll send you the details. From there onwards, we can get on a 15-minute call to understand how it works, so that I can help you lose fat, become better, mentally resilient, and independent in the process. So I'll see you in the next one.